Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living, and it's Wednesday again, so I am back to share a little bit more wisdom with you. This month we are talking about my favorite things, and these are just everyday, inexpensive items that you probably already have lying around in your house that you can use in a lot of different ways to help you get organized. As you know, I don't really like to send people out to go shopping and buy a whole bunch of stuff just to get organized, because then they just end up with more stuff and spending money that they really don't need to spend. So I'm always on the lookout for things that are going to help you get organized without you having to spend any money at all, or if you have to go out, spending very little. So today, my favorite thing that I'm sharing with you is spring-loaded clothespins. And this is, you can see, it's an open pack because I've already started using them. I got these from the Dollar Tree for like $1.25. I mean, you know, and look how many you get. So I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different ways that you can use these. So one way, you know, we talked earlier in the month about magnets and the different things that you can do with magnets, and I showed you where I had like hung a calendar or something, or some sort of important information on the refrigerator. Well, you know what, if you don't have those magnetic clips, or you need more, but you do have magnet strips, like if you went ahead and bought those magnet sheets like I suggested, you can just attach a magnet to the back of this and voila, you can stick this on your refrigerator to hold all manner of things. Likewise, another way that you can display your kids' artwork is if you take a wire or a string and you hang that along a wall, say in a bedroom or in a hallway or really anywhere, and you can hang the pictures with the clothespins, just like you would hang clothes out to dry. By the way, that's another way that you can use these. Surprise! You can hang your washing up. Who would have thought? So those are a couple of ways that you can use them. Any kind of, like if you have a bulletin board and you want to be able to swap out messages real quick, sometimes, you know, pinning things in and you drop the pin and blah, it's like kind of a mess. So you can just attach a flat-headed tack onto the back of this and keep that pinned into your bulletin board, and then it's just easy to just like switch out little notes or messages or what have you. Also, another way to use these is if you have like a bag of chips or something that's open and you want to keep them closed. You don't need to go out and buy those clips if you don't want to. If you have a bunch of these lying around, just use these to keep your bag closed and keep things fresh. Another way that I often like to use, I think it's kind of cute, is if you have a gift bag. Just take your bag, put whatever's in it, whatever you're giving in it, and then you can clip the little note card, and this little embellishment is actually attached to my clothespin, and you can just do that, and that way they can reuse the bow as many times as they want on lots of different packages. And the final way that I'm going to share with you, this is actually one of my favorites. I don't know about you guys, but first of all, I hate having clothes. My husband and my kids sometimes will hang their jackets on the corner of the banister, and it drives me crazy. I can't stand the way it looks. So, so that it makes it easier for them to hang their jackets up in the closet and not have the jacket fall off, this is what I do. I keep these nearby. So I don't know if you can see this, but basically so that you don't have to take the time and fumble around trying to zip up that zipper, just clip it closed, clip the jacket closed. It'll keep it from falling off the hanger. And then when you're ready to wear the jacket, you just take this off and you add it to the neck of the hanger. And that way, when you come home and you want to hang your jacket up again, it's really easy to just grab that and clip that shut again and hang it back up, okay? So I hope that you guys will give this a try. And hey, if you know of other ways that you can think of that you use spring-loaded clothespins, then please, obviously you can use them in crafts too. There's all kinds of uses for them in crafts. I won't even go into that because there's so many. And hey, if you guys have other ideas for how you can use spring-loaded clothespins, or if you have favorite things, everyday objects that you use to keep yourself organized, by all means, please share. You can email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And I hope that you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And spread the word to your friends too, because maybe they could use a little bit easy peasy living too. I hope you guys will join me again next week when we will wrap up our segment on my favorite things. And until then, keep it easy peasy.